Elastics, or as many patients call them, rubber bands, are a very important part of making your Kadar smile its best, but some find them a little confusing. I'm Sarah, and I'm here to make it easier. Final, or ostrich elastics, generally start on the second to last tooth on the bottom. Just hook the rubber band around the hook on the bracket, then hold it as one strand, pulling it tightly out of your mouth so you have a lot to work with. Next, wrap it around the first square bracket from the back on top, then the next lower available bracket. Just continue in a zigzag motion, top, bottom, top, and so on. Continue to hold that rubber band tightly. You're going to skip the clear hook bracket and go straight to the hook that's attached to the wire, and then end around the bottom hook that's attached to the wire. That may sound a little confusing, but it's pretty simple once you do it a few times. There should be 5 brackets with a rubber band around them and 2 hooks. This is Juliana. She's doing it real time. She's almost done with her braces and is kind of a pro. No worries, you'll be this good soon. There are other classes of elastics. If you have them, Dr. Kadar will make sure you know what class you have. For Class 2 elastics, if your final wires are in, hook the rubber band around the hook attached to the wire on the top and diagonally back to the second to last tooth on the bottom. If your final wires are not in, hook the rubber band around the hook placed in the 4th bracket from the center tooth on top, then diagonally back to the second tooth to the last tooth on bottom. For Class 3 elastics, if your final wires are in, hook the rubber band around the hook attached to the wire on the bottom and go diagonally back to the second to last tooth on top. If your final wires aren't in yet, hook the rubber band around the hook in the 4th bracket back from the center tooth on bottom. Then place it diagonally back to the second to last tooth on top. Some patients have an anterior box. If you do, make a square with the rubber band around the center teeth on the top and around the center teeth on the bottom. I know it seems like a lot, but it's actually really easy. You'll get the hang of it. And remember, there's always somebody available to help you over the phone, and you can usually be seen the next business day for any problems.